Users can access a variety of symbol manipulations by right-clicking on the symbol. Move allows users to move a symbol from a specified base point. Scale allows users to shrink or enlarge the symbol. Rotate allows free rotation or rotation at a user-selected angle. Copy creates identical symbols in relation to a base point. Flip horizontal mirrors the symbol across a vertical axis, while flip vertical mirrors the symbol across a horizontal axis. Rotate left and right rotates the symbol 90 degrees in either direction. And the align commands align the symbol with other symbols or with other symbol ports.